We haven't did a Cash App borrow video in so long. So I remember when I first started doing these videos, I was just on YouTube and I was like, man, it's crazy because when it first came out, they only allowed me to do $150. Let's see, Cash App Lando. Let's put in Lando. See if that pop up. See, look, I did this 2 years ago when I could borrow $150. This one, $200. So we've been going all the way up. So we are going to do an update and see the amount I am at now because they just actually gave me a higher amount recently. So yay to me. So let's check it out. And I still actually use it. So if you go to your main page, you have to click the home button. Well, it would be nice if I hit that. You have to click the home button and you see where it say borrow available. Let me make it so you guys can move this. I can move this out the way. So you see where it say manage. My borrow went up to $400 because I usually use it because if I don't want to transfer money over there, I'm like, okay, let me borrow $300 and I'm paying back $305. It's just makes sense to me. And I get to do videos and do content with it. So you see mine went up to $400. Let me know in the comments what the price you guys are at. And what you do is you look at your borrow limit. That's the most that I can borrow. And you see every single month I just borrow it and just pay it back. So you see it was $325, then it went down to $300 and now at $400. So let's keep running it up to $1,000 because I'll pay it back every time. Why not? And it costs you a small fee, but you know, I believe it's worth it because they just came out with something new today. I did a video about Cash App Afterpay. Make sure you check out that video. I have it at the end so you can click it. So they have it now where you can go and buy your burrito, buy you some McDonald's, and you like, man, I spent too much money on this McDonald's. You can go back and they will refund you some money back and you'll pay it back over time. Which is dumb if you ask me. If you just got the borrow part, just do what it says do and do it. So it's a $400 borrow limit. This is the total amount you can borrow. It may change based on several factors, including whether you pay off your loans, got to pay them off, if you have any, and how much money you deposit into Cash App and keep there. Me, I usually have money going in and out of Cash App on a regular because I send money a lot to people, send money to my mama, send money everywhere. With my other channel, I send $10 a day to random subscribers. So, you know, I am somebody that actively use Cash App. So if you're probably not using it, probably won't better have it. So what you do is you click the borrow button and it will ask you how much money do you want to borrow. You can borrow less. You can borrow the minimum of $20 up to $400. And since it's $400, this is the highest I have to pay back now. Flat fee of $20 because it is 5%. So I might not be doing it too much. I did it for this video. So make sure you guys are hitting the like button. And you always have a few different options. You have the option to pay back $105 every week. I always change it to just pay it off all at once because that every week stuff is just, that's doing too much. You can have it as you get cash. When money get in your Cash App, they will take some $105 a week or just pay the full $420. $420, baby. So yeah, I always do it that way. So let's say if your total repayment amount $420 isn't paid back by April 5th, you'll be charged a one-time $5 fee, and they probably lower your amount because you are not doing what you have to do. So you click next, you will click next again because you change the schedule, and you will see the amount financed, you will see the fee. And if you look at the fee versus the Afterpay, I believe the finance fee is 7.5% on the Afterpay versus it being 5%. So it's better, you will save more money just by using this versus, and it's less and it just don't make too much sense. So let me know in the comments, how much are they allowing you to bet? Are you not allowing to bet? See, I'm thinking my sports page. Allowing you to borrow, and are you taking advantage and using it? Let's go.